going to be replaced by AI? Will human be replaced by AI one day? A matter of fact, AI is actually more human than human. It's about understanding us. If you need to create an AI model, you need to understand how humans think, how we feel, how emotions is being generated, and the complexity of human psychology. So to create AI model, you need to learn about human and you become more human than human. People say AI is a double-edged sword. What isn't? When science comes up, they say science is a double-edged sword. When industry revolution, tractor replace farmer, they say industry revolution is a double-edged sword. Everyone fears of losing job. But did they lose their job? Today, AI comes up. Many people say they will replace us. We will be jobless. Think again, will this really happen like in the Terminator movie? I think it's more about human value, our moral. Will we let AI replace us even until we lost our culture, our value, and the human connection? AI can help us grow, yes, but to think deeper, it should help us to be more human than now. Do not be fear of AI era, but we need to have the mindset to differentiate real and fake, value and just the surface persona. Eventually, we still need to have human touch. Don't let technology replace all of us. That's what we can safeguard for our future generations.